The businesses that adapt to this shift will dominate the next 5 years. Search has quietly changed and most people are still playing the old game. SEO isn't what it used to be. If you're still chasing top Google rankings, you're already behind. The SEO landscape has fundamentally changed in 2026, and if you're a business owner, this affects your revenue, your leads, and ultimately your bottom line. In 2026, we're moving away from traditional SEO to GEO, or Generative Engine Optimisation. AI overviews, ChatGPT, and Perplexity now summarize more of the answers directly in the results, so fewer people need to click through to a website. The goal is no longer just to rank higher, but to become the source that AI references. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. Have you noticed Google answering questions without sending you anywhere? Search is no longer just 10 blue links. You now see AI overviews at the top of Google's search results. Plus, more and more people are using other programs like ChatGPT and Perplexity. The big shift is this: more searches end with an answer, not a click. In fact, studies have shown that there's been a drop of over 30% for some queries when AI overviews have shown up. So the question is not, how do I rank? It's how do you become the source that AI references? And that's what GEO is. You structure your content so it's easy to extract and trust. Clear answers, easy to scan formatting, schema that helps crawlers understand what the page is about, and something original, not a rewrite of what already exists on the internet. Because AI doesn't reward noise, it rewards signal. Search is now everywhere. SEO in 2026 isn't just about Google anymore. Your brand now needs visibility across YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, Google Lens, and a variety of other platforms. Gen Z and millennials are using TikTok as a search engine. Reddit threads are dominating Google's search results because they are real and authentic. The businesses winning right now are those building authority across multiple platforms, not just their own website. Search is no longer just a channel, it's an environment. Now here's the shift. As AI content floods the internet, real-life human experience are becoming more and more valuable. In 2026, SEO is not just technical, it's reputational. Google and AI platforms are looking for clear indicators of trust. If it's not obvious who wrote the content, why they're qualified, and what real-life experience they've had, it's harder to win. So, what does this mean for your business? EEAT is no longer optional. So what does it stand for? Expertise, experience, authoritiveness, and trustworthiness. Google and AI engines are rewarding human-first content with real-world experience behind it. Generic AI-written content is being outranked. Today, businesses need real author profiles, real credentials, and real-world proof. In 2026, your brand reputation is your ranking factor. And here's where it gets practical, because even great content can fail. If your website isn't technically sound, Google will not reward it. It's no longer about keywords, it's about intent. Does your content really solve a problem, or is it just optimized to rank? Technical and local SEO has evolved. Google is far more aggressive about intent matching. If your content doesn't deeply satisfy the user's actual intent, not just a keyword, you will not be rewarded. Additionally, more and more people are using visual search, which requires properly optimized images, alt text, and contextual relevance. And locally, Google relies on accurate, well-maintained Google business profiles. If your local presence isn't meticulously maintained, you will not be recommended. It's that simple. SEO isn't just a marketing metric anymore, it's a brand metric. The metrics have changed. Rankings alone don't matter anymore. Organic traffic is not the only KPI. Now we measure brand mentions in AI, share of voice across platforms, citation frequency, and overall digital footprint. Strong brands with consistent mentions across the web are more resilient to algorithm updates. SEO in 2026 isn't a silo. It's integrated with PR, content, IT, and brand strategy. It's a business-wide discipline. Here's the bottom line. SEO is no longer about being the top blue link. It's becoming the trusted resource in an AI-driven conversational ecosystem. Businesses that treat visibility as a technical asset will dominate. The question isn't, are we ranking? The question is, are we the authority that AI trusts? And in 2026, that's what separates growth companies from everyone else. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And for more SEO and digital marketing tips, follow our channel.